Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to increase small breasts to make your photo attractive as a photographer. A lady came to my shop, okay, honestly she has a little breast. She demand, can I make her breast big and attractive in a picture? I respond, as a professional, I said yes. So that is what brought this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get this tutorial started. As you can see here now, this is the picture, this is the Photoshop interface. You have to put the Photoshop, you snap the Photoshop, you put it in your laptop or your desktop, okay? You now upload it in your Photoshop interface. The first thing here to do is to come down to this area, this layer, this background layer. We want to unlock it, okay? Just double click it like this. As you double click it like this and you press OK. So the next thing to do is to go back to filter. This is filter. From filter, you now click on liquify, okay? That is shift key. That the shortcut is shift key plus control plus X, okay? Or you go to filter, just press liquify. So from there you can see it here now. So as you can see here now, we have various options here. One is that if you can come down to this place, look at this option now. We have, it involves two things here. Is either they demand to reduce the breast or to increase the breast. If to reduce the breast, definitely you come to poker, okay? Poker tools is the one you will use in order to what, to reduce the breast. But to increase the breast, you have to use bloat tools to increase the breast. That is BLOAT tools to increase the breast. For this tutorial, we are going to increase the breast, okay guys? So we are using poker tools. Here we go now. So pick the poker tools, and then as you can see here, we can reduce this to this, and then you start. As you can see, it's reducing, okay? So that is blow tools is the one that will increase it. So we are increasing it with blow tools now. Do you see the effect? Can you see it now? It's blowing up the breast. You make sure you make it perfect so that as you can see, it's blowing, increasing every area here, increasing. So it increase like this. You will increase it in order to make a good attractive, so that by the time you print out the picture, it will make attractive, make everywhere to burst up. You have to make everywhere to burst off. So you can see this one now. I see. So you make it to more attractive, okay? You also do this one to more attractive. So don't let any hole. Make it rhyme. Make it rhyme. Can you see that now? Make it rhyme. So after this one now, the next thing to do is just to click on OK. If you click on OK, automatically it will update it. By clicking OK now, guys, have you seen what it is? You can see it now. It's bigger. It's bigger. We have increased it, and with this picture now, by the time you increase it and you now print it, it will make attractive. So that is how to make a small breast to bigger, or to reduce a bigger breast. You can see the two options I told you. I said bloat tools is the one you will use to increase, while poker tools is the one you will use to reduce the bigger breast. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.